Hi friends! Good morning sa inyo. No? So it's almost 6 a.m. At sorry, medyo maingay. No? And sa video na to, no, samahan nyo kami mag-run or mag-jog. I wanted to document this, no, and share sa inyo kasi it's something that I've been looking forward to after work. And if you follow me on TikTok, bumili na nga tayo ng bagong sapatos. No? And yeah, I try to be more active after work. So meron tayong strength training and yun nga, na-pick up natin yung pag-run, no? Kasi kakanood natin ng mga video sa TikTok, like yung kay Sir Patrick Rubin, no? It's the good kind of budol, no? And kayo ba, ano yung mga hobbies na ginagawa nyo or something that you look forward to after work? I'll expound further, no, siguro pag andun na tayo sa area. So yun, sinama natin si wife. Say hi. 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 May etchas pa dun. So my goal today is 10K. Only an easy run, no? So I'll just have a simple zone 2 training. Tapos bukas, I plan to run din bukas para mag-tempo run naman. I just want to practice yung tuloy-tuloy na pag-run, no? And yeah, let's see. Ito yung way natin punta sa CCP. So this is the usual route that we go through. Let's do a quick warm-up muna bago yung actual run natin. Napaka-importante nun. And yan, dito tayo sa may gilid ng CCP. Dito. Okay, so we're done with the warm-up, no? We've activated our legs and yung blood should be flowing now, no? Kaya let's go for a run. Pero bago yun, tayo muna ay mag headset. Let's also open Strava as we'll be using it to document our run. 1K. So kung gusto nyo makita yung nakikita ko while I'm running, eto. Kaya ako gusto dito kasi sobrang ganda. Okay, Star City. So, susubukan natin mag-vlog habang nag-run. Sorry kung medyo hingaling lang. Pero, the reason why I'm being active right now, bukod sa I'm in my 30s na, is that I'm seeing a lot of news about people who are suffering from illnesses. Iba't yung mga sakit, no? Which ultimately can be prevented kung healthy ka mo. That's the reason why I'm doing this. I still have a lot of years in me. And I believe that ito yung prime years ko talaga. I want to achieve so much that I need a healthy body, diba? Para ma-reach yung mga yan. I know it sounds so boomer. Pero I think you'll get it once you reach your 30s. But I highly suggest huwag yan antayin. There's so much benefit to it. And I think it's worth it na. You can say na it's routine and it's boring. But there's so much ways to make this fun. You can join run clubs. You can ask someone from your home to join you. You can even walk your pet. Pero hindi lang running yung sinasuggest ko. Just anything to be at. I have so many dreams that I want to achieve. And I think having a healthy body will help me reach it. Hanap ko na sinabi. So let's go for the 4K. 4K. Let's go. Nandito tayo sa Tanghalang Balagtas. I don't know what's the plan here. I don't know if they're going to build this, renovate it. You know, it's this place. Now, I want to talk about mga bees after work. Sabi ko nga kanina, diba? It's important that we avoid stress. And one way to really deal with stress is to be active, you know. Of course, there's a lot of other things that you can do. I made a TikTok video about it. So again, follow nyo sa TikTok. It's kind of 100% guarantee sa mawala yung iniisip mo. So ano bang hobby nyo? Computer, bonding with your wife, going to see places. So whatever man yan na hobby nyo, no, I suggest you do it. Because definitely nag-focus na kayo sa work, sa corporate na your soul will get crushed. Hindi na tayo sa PICC ulit. Let's go. 6K, let's go. 7K, and I'm really running out of breath. I think my BPM's too high, so we will rest for a bit after nito. Kasalubong na si wife. Let's go. So napagod tayo guys. Pahinga muna tayo, tapos bawi na lang after. So water break, saka kunting snacks muna. I don't know, parang wala akong masyadong hangin today. We're gonna continue na. Break lang sa dito. Pagod siya. So hindi tayo nakapagtuloy-tuloy. The plan was 10K tuloy-tuloy na, pero wala, hindi ginaya. I guess that's the no, that's the training part. Kaya tayo nagte-train para ma-achieve yung goal na yun. But right now, hindi natin achieve yun. Pero continue natin yung takbo. Mag-10K tayo kahit ano mga yan. Tsaka ito nga pala yung binili kong shoes. Yan o. So that's the Adidas Adizero SL2. In-unbox ko yun sa TikTok ko. So again, follow nyo ako sa TikTok. We have a few kilometers left, no? So let's lock in. Tapusin na natin. 8K, let's go. And 10K. Whew. Oh, good. Our pace is 7:57 per kilometer. Definitely not bad. Last week I only ran 6 kilometers from my easy run at around 8+ minutes the pace. So yeah, definitely good, definitely good. So try to improve this further. So meet na natin si wife dito sa 7-Eleven. Let's go.
Saya. Masarap. Nag-isang round pa ako ng run.
Ano masasabi mo?
Ang saya. Ang sarap mag-view. Parang mas na-enjoy ko talaga to kaysa dun saan. Sa car-free. Ang dami kasing obstacles eh. Sobrang daming tao.
Sobrang fun, no? Itong whole experience. Definitely.
Akala ko
Next
itong
week.
Holy Spirit.
Just past few days kasi grabe ulan guys. Pero ngayon lang Sabado nag-clear up yung weather. And actually, nag-aabon-abon din kanina niya. Medyo madilim uli. So, thankfully, nung natapos yung run natin, hindi naman wala malakas. But, papahinga na tayo onti. Tapos we'll fuel up. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Starbucks. So, Starbucks.
Okay lang, di ba meron dito?
Okay, mag-Starbucks tayo doon.
Ay, parang ang sarap mag-iced chicken espresso.
Kasi close out natin yung vlog doon. So you know the drill guys. Strawberry acai and chicken barbecue. So we're done with Starbucks and I changed my mind no, dito ko na lang i-close kasi ang daming copyright risk sa area na yun. But yeah, we're about to go home. Yeah, it's fun, you know, having something to do like this, no, na nilook forward mo. It can be after work, it can be something that you spend your time a lot, no, and then do something like this. Again, it doesn't need to be running, no. And yeah, thank you sa pagsama sa
Thank you guys.
ayun nga, sa run natin today. And again, it's something that I'm really looking forward to every after work, every weekend, no. And I hope you guys have something to look forward to this, no. So yun lang. Bye guys. Bye. Say bye.